Hey guys, what's up? I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while. Things have just been coming up left and right. But anyways, in a future video I'm going to be teaching you guys Malagueña. But to make that lesson much easier, here are two exercises to help you with Malagueña. So, if you've heard Malagueña before, you'll recognize that it always has this part in it. That's always in the song, whether it's a flamenco version, classical version, etc. Always in the song. And the arrangement that I chose, Michael Lucarelli's arrangement, it uses that tune as a chorus. So anyways, the way that he plays it, he uses almost an echo effect. Instead of it just being a bass line, it sounds like this. Anyways, I want to teach you that echoing effect. So if my camera will zoom in on the right hand, I'm just muting the strings with my left. So what you're doing is you're hitting a bass string, the 6th or the 5th, and then you're using your index and your middle finger to pull up on the 2nd and 3rd string. 2nd and 3rd. So what it sounds like, or what it looks like, is this. And camera will go to my left hand. You can do any chord for this, but it doesn't matter which bass string you hit as long as you hit either one, and you practice like this. Anyways, you can hit either one, but you just want to familiarize yourself with that to get the muscle memory in your right hand. That's the most important. The second exercise is focusing on picado, and it is a flamenco guitar technique. It's where you use your index finger and your middle finger, and you just flick them over and over and over. You rotate them on the E string, the high E, and it sounds like this. And in the song, he's playing the Malagueña tune, but he's using picado, and it sounds like this. And I don't want to teach you that right now, so I'll just show you a different tune that you can play it to. The camera will go to my left hand. You put your index finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, nothing else, and then you put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string, so it sounds like that. You could also use your ring finger, and you just go down, and then you go down a fret, and then it's open, and then your middle finger goes to the 3rd fret of the 5th string and the 4th fret of the 5th string. So it sounds like this. You just strum it, then you go down a fret, then open, and then 3rd, 2nd. Anyways, when you're doing that, zoom into my right hand cameraman, thank you. You want to use your thumb to go down 3 strings, down from the 4th, 3rd, 2nd. And then just hit the string for the 3rd and the 2nd. But anyways, that's like a little break. When you're doing that, you want to be doing that echo effect. So when you're practicing, you can start like this. All I'm doing is just going down on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string with my thumb and hitting the high E every time that I hit one of the strings. So right after, it's echoing. That's your fingers break. Now, in the song, you're using both fingers, not just one. So a good way to start practicing it is practicing slow. Slow is always better. Haste makes waste. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down 3, do a 4, 3, 2, like normal. But instead of just hitting it once, you're going to hit it twice. So going slowly, it sounds like this. Anyways, you want to speed that up slowly, and it'll evolve into this. And you don't have to do that 3rd and 2nd fret and stuff that I just did. That was fancy. but the main part is focusing on the picado. Those are 2 exercises to help you learning Malagueña. That'll come out in a future video. I promise this time I will not disappear off the face of the earth for a while. Sorry again for not posting videos. But anyways, that will make it a lot easier when learning this song. It took me forever to learn it off a little video on YouTube. So anyways, have fun, keep playing guitar, and look out for future videos. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe, preferably share to more people. You know, everyone likes that. Anyways, have a good day, guys, and bye.